Hello, my name's Charles Lastic. I'm the Managing Director of Blue Bond Tax Planning. I've been an inheritance tax specialist for more than 18 years and have helped hundreds of clients save millions on their inheritance tax planning and implementation. So today's video is around, well, what happens if I've got an existing life insurance? How is that taken into account when dealing with my inheritance tax planning? So welcome back, and today's video is around, well, what happens if you have existing life insurance policies and how are they taken into account when dealing with inheritance tax? Well, effectively, all financial advisors, when reviewing your plans and giving you advice, should be taking your existing plans into account. That's standard for the way it should be done. Now, it depends on the type of policy you've got. Now, most people have set up term insurances which finish when they're 60 or 65 or longer, and obviously those are not suitable for inheritance tax purposes. So it depends why those policies were taken out and are they still relevant. So in other words, if you've taken out a term assurance policy to finish at 65 and you're now 60, does your wife and children still need that cover in the event that you die, and is it worth paying the premiums at this point? So that has to be a discussion taken into account. But if you've got an existing whole of life, we would again look at it, because we nearly always, for standard whole of life policies, under the regulated side of our business, of course, is effectively charge a fee for setting that up as opposed to taking a commission. Because for most of our clients who are quite wealthy individuals, the commissions are pretty high, and we don't take those, and we take a fee from the client instead. But sometimes that can save a client £20,000+ over the term of the policy. So it's not a small difference, it's actually a significant difference. So all existing policies should be taken into account and discussed with your advisor before setting up new ones to determine their suitability and whether you keep them or whether you replace them or whatever you decide to do. But they should be taken into account. Okay, hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and a like. It will be appreciated and help the channel. But thank you for listening, and goodbye for now. Bye.